How's it going, everyone? Today is very slow. I did wake up a little late, but wanted to show you guys I'm officially on Aster. We bought some Aster last night at Spot. And then, we've been day trading it. This and AVNT. Unfortunately, last night, if you guys weren't on, I guess you won't know, but the markets took a huge, huge, huge hit. And now we're just recovering from all that. This is a bad buy. I'll just let this go, probably. Let's just say I wish I shorted crypto yesterday. Last night, I wish I shorted crypto. I mean, pick a coin, you would have hit big. All of them dropped dramatically. Let me. Okay. Hopefully this can bounce. That's all I'm gonna say. My ETH trade is looking okay though. Anyways, okay. So let's get into it. Last night, we dropped hard. Let's just start there. We dropped very, very hard. I'm gonna just start with Bitcoin and go down the list. 4-hour time frame. Look at this. Just swept through here. I mean, I could not believe how much we just started tanking. But you also need to realize the plus side to that is we landed into some really good zones of support. And I think this is a much needed liquidation pullback. I mean, let me just give you guys an example. The dump anticipation, if you didn't know, already happened and taking place right now. We hit support, looking for a bounce here. Yeah, I agree. Haven't heard of LQTY. ETH bound. look at like the fib. Sorry guys, I keep looking at this aster position because I'm debating on closing it. So it did. It hit the just shy of the 0.5 on the fib. But as you see, very close. But if we fib it from here, technically, oh, we got tapped. It's almost at the 618. So, I'm currently on ETH, on a long, and I think this could, well, I don't know, it's pulling back now. It's definitely not a good sign. If it breaks the or below, then yeah, we need to get out. Could find an entry maybe for Bitcoin. Look at Solana. You know, the thing that, I mean, I knew that we were in daily resistance. Let me just make a full chart. I knew that we were in daily resistance, right? But the thing that psyched me out was, we were making new highs on the 1 hour, and I thought we were pulling back to the support demand zone and maybe possibly breaking out. Considering last week we got rate cuts, things were looking good. You look at something like SUI, broke this trend. That was off a little. We broke the trend, right? And it looked good. It really did. But we tapped right into here. Right here. And now we're just going to have to hang out, kind of wait. I did catch this bottom last night, but first I got hit on this one. On this bounce, I tried that, got hit, then took it again on this one. After it liquidated all this. Oh, this is what I was going to show you guys. Oh, wow. So Michael Saylor just bought 850 more Bitcoin, 96 million, guys. Meta Planet buys 5,419 Bitcoin. Look at $1 billion worth of crypto longs liquidated in the past 30 minutes last night, guys. Holy shit. And then this one too. I mean, it was a bloodbath last night. It really was. It was pretty bad. I'm not gonna lie. XRP went down to 286. Tapped this. You know, if you look at it right now, it's actually bouncing better than anything else that we've looked at so far. Hyperliquid, also a good area. But you're not seeing much today for momentum to go any higher. I'm going to be looking for something like that. On my screen right now looking for. Just wanted to see if there's any type of entry possibly. Aster. It's definitely coming down. My last video I just posted yesterday, I go all over AVNT and Aster, the two big tokens everyone's talking about right now. If you go over to my YouTube page, you can see this right now, and I show you what both of them are and what I believe in, right? I'm in both of them. I just bought Aster yesterday, but I originally caught AVNT at 40 cents, and I made a video on my TikTok about it. You can look that up on my TikTok. And I've also been a lot more active on my X account. If you guys go follow me over on X, I've been posting a lot more on there. That's the place to be for crypto. Yeah, it's been growing pretty quick. I'm about to be at 400. But yeah, go hit the follow button, guys. For crypto and NASDAQ futures, this is what I do every day. All in with Mitch on TikTok, Twitch, and YouTube. I go live every day. Like even today, we don't got much to trade. I woke up a little late, but NASDAQ's not really doing anything great. I mean, yeah, we could have took the orb high. It broke out of the orb. And it's run 40 points since the orb high. And if you know me, you already know we would have taken this on this candle right here. Or possibly in here. But, oh well. I mean, I slept in. I woke up a little late. It is what it is. Let's go back to over here. So I'm not necessarily wanting to short anything. I just feel like this zone is going to be where we bounce. Fartcoin got destroyed. Oh man, MYX is really breaking down. I'm wondering if at the 618 we're going to bounce possibly. Pump Fun took a huge hit, guys. Look at that. I think the Pump Fun token got hit harder than anything. To be honest, I really do. I feel like Pump Fun got hit extremely hard. $27%. I know I got hit on these flush outs. I did. I got hit. Pretty upset about it too. If we look at Aster right now, Yeah, my entries in here probably weren't the best, but I bet you Aster is going to continue to hold at least at $1.20. Might even see something from here. We shall see. Almost at the 0.5. Feel like $1.28 is a really good buy. $1.28. Oh man, AVNT is at 197. Actually, let me see something. Not in a terrible spot for it to bounce from. I mean, it's possible. I think a little bit lower looks a little better. I think a lot of these zones we're getting primed to bounce from. Only time will tell. IP is that other new token we've been talking about. Also been doing really good. World Liberty took a big hit yesterday. Jesus. Caspa. I'll be honest with you, I'm still holding Caspa, and I'm just starting to get a little worried because it hasn't been breaking out like hardly at all. It barely has been doing anything. The king, the one and only BNB, definitely well-deserved pullback on BNB. Maybe we get down to like 975. Yeah, a lot of these coins got hit hard, guys. AVAX. Uniswap. I actually am fully out of Uniswap now. I sold my Uniswap to buy um, Aster yesterday, guys. I did. But, oh, Jito just got, it's pretty high. Alright. Now, all these coins, guys, if you notice, everything's in a really good spot. Aerodrom's not the best, but most of the tokens are in pretty good demand zones. Like Ava, Honda. Not bad. And Injective. Want Injective to wake up, man. But it's pretty much it. It's a pretty boring morning. I'm not jumping into anything. I'm holding my ETH along, but I definitely don't have anything new. I don't know if the market's gonna wake up today. Honestly, I don't know. I think it's just gonna kind of just bounce around. I don't know if there's gonna be buy volume during New York market. I feel like this is just kind of going sideways, really. But so there's really no live trading today. Nasdaq's not really exciting me either. I got my new live account. Yeah, I'm not. I was gonna sit back today, guys. Not really anything I want to take. I do see buys stacking on Aster, but is it enough to move it? I don't know. Not sure. Let's go over on X and what's this? This is cool. sporting perp trading. Perp dex day with rebound that. That's cool. Avantis is sponsoring it. AVNT. That's cool. Yeah, this would be cool to watch in a bar or something. I think this should be a thing, guys. I think it'd be cool. I think they're coming to America, it sounds like. That was South Korea, though. Yeah, but you can't compare this. Looks like he had enough. Sorry, off topic there. Just a funny video. Dude took that girl out to dinner, ordered without her, and then said she don't need any food, basically. This guy right here, this girl with cancer streamed on Pump Fun the other day, and she made, or no, someone, the amount of soldiers, people, donated to the cause. It was like beat cancer coin or something about beating cancer. And she does have cancer, and she was live streaming. This kid, yeah, this kid hacked her. He got her to download a game on. Oh, Alex Becker donated. Yeah. Hmm. So Arthur Hayes recently dumped a lot of hyper liquid tokens. Yeah, Binance was dumping last night. They were feeding the fucking dump. That was going on, guys. Pretty sketchy. We might need to exit ETH, guys. We might need to. I'm hoping Aster can get a pump from right here. I mean, NASDAQ's going up. NASDAQ's fine. Why is crypto just so disgusting today and last night? There's no major news. There's no anything bad. Let's look on here. It's nothing. Putin says Russia will extend New START nuclear arms treaty by 1 year if the U.S. agrees. There's nothing on here. Oh. Israel strike kills 4 American citizens in Lebanon, 3 of which were children. That's weird. I didn't see that until just now. That was at 5 p.m. last night, guys. That is kind of sketchy news. I'm not gonna lie. That's not good. I wonder what that was about. let's actually look at coin glass. I want to see the heat map right now. Wow. Do you guys see this? So, um, let's look at the 3-day. So, let's just turn it all the way up. This will give you the most clear picture. This will give you the clearest visual. So we have a lot, we're like just in the middle of everything. So what I'm thinking is, oh, that's not good. This isn't looking as good. I would say ETH could go down some more. Yeah, it flushed everything out of that. Wow. Let's look at Sol. Let's try it. Look at all these buy orders coming in. Buy volumes flooding. Let's see if we can get the Aster pump. I don't know though. I just don't see. I almost feel like Bitcoin is the better trade right now. But after seeing the coin glass, it is a little sketchy, guys. Oh wow. This is cool. This is new. I don't know. I'll have to mess with it when I'm not streaming. No offense. But it's giving me keys to use and stuff like that. So definitely. Yeah, guys, there's really not anything going on. Let's look at AV&T. Definitely pulling back pretty hard. Might be a very boring day in crypto. faster is going. Look at all the buys coming in. I need this to break above here though. I definitely need to keep going. Let's keep looking at coin glass. So we're kind of in the same position for Sol, but I'm starting to think that I'm honestly starting to think that Bitcoin could be lining up for a better trade. Let's go look at the dominance. Bitcoin dominance is pumping. It is. But it could sweep and then drop. Look at ETH dominance. When the market's dumping, Bitcoin becomes stronger because it's a stronger asset. Sol, I mean, they're all in support zones, don't get me wrong. XRP got really flushed. Holy crap. Others, I mean, they're all in demand zones now. Total DeFi, let's look at USDT. USDT is kind of like, it's kind of just like the Bitcoin dominance a little bit. Sweep and could drop. This looks normal for the stables as long as we do this. Come down. Okay? We need these to drop from here. So if we don't get this, and then we got total market cap, we need to bounce from here. So this is what we need to bounce from. But I don't think it's going to be today. But this makes me look at Bitcoin a little bit more for a trade. Just considering stronger asset, huge push liquidation yesterday. ABNT. Oh, we do get it. Wow. They got ABNT on here. Let's see the 3-day. Okay. We have quite a bit sitting down here, guys. I think we're going to come down to $1.80. It wants, there's nothing to sweep up here until you get way up here, okay? So you have to think in the eyes of the market makers. It doesn't make sense to push it higher right now. Does that make sense? They're going to want to come down, grab all this liquidation at 180. They're going to grab all this and then push it higher. It's just, you have to put yourself in the mind of them. So there's nothing. I mean, it's all about that. I mean, that's all there is to grab. So AV&T's gonna come down to $1.80. Sweep it and then run. It's not gonna bounce from there. Aster, probably gonna see. Actually, I'd rather see it on Binance. Okay, same thing. I know we just took this little scalp, but I have a feeling it probably wants to come down to $1.20. I mean, it did tap it already though, but it could instead come sweep it. 24-hour. There's not a ton.
Alex, we gotta leave in 5 minutes.
Cut. I know. Alright, guys. I'm gonna wrap this up. We did break above here. It's not like crazy resistance. I mean, we could drop from this one. Let's go to 5 minutes. Let's see, it's a little more clear. I do like the wick on this 15-minute. If I get to here, it's a quick 500. I'll probably hold it. I'm gonna make my stop loss closer. I'm gonna watch it from my phone. I definitely need it. I got hit last night. I need this trade. I really do. It would lift my spirits, let's say that. I'm looking for trades on Bitfunded, but I don't see anything I want. It's just not the best. On the prop firm accounts, you gotta be more cautious because you do have a limit, right? See how quickly this wants to come back down. These people are already shorting it. They're ready. They're just gonna start shorting it. Might not stick though. People are trying to short orders at 142. Makes sense. I like seeing the big amounts only. I don't want to see all this. It's all small potatoes. I want to see the big dogs. They're putting some heavy money on it. Okay, guys. I'm gonna get going. I appreciate y'all. And we're gonna actually try this. going to try to shorten ETH right now on bit funded. I want to see if it can sweep all that. Super tight stop loss though. Super tight. We're just going to see. We're going to see if it comes down, sweeps down to get this wick, fill the wick. Let me show you 41.80. We're risking 1.7% for 10%. Might not play out. I mean, obviously my main trade is long. I caught that early last night. Alright, boys. I'm out of here. Hit the like, subscribe, and follow. I do this every day for y'all. Obviously, today was very boring. I'm not trading NASDAQ either. This is garbage. Alright, guys. Have a good day. And go watch my AVNT and Aster video I posted last night. I want you guys to fully understand the potential on both these coins. I called AVNT at 40 cents over on my TikTok. I should have posted on my YouTube. I apologize. Alright guys, have a great day. See you later.